JDCap26 here for Just Do the Tips and Repairs and Hobbies, and we've got some Gundam Planet nippers here. Comes with a cover. Just recently I made a mistake and I cut a piece of wire with these, and I made a indentation or nick here. Let me show you. This marker is a good thing to use because I'll show you what happened. Okay, one side of these is the chisel side, which is the right side, and one side is the cutting side. Okay, so I made a nick in here. Okay, we'll see that with the black dot, and I had to pull that nick out. So what you want to do is you want to grab a flat, fine jeweler's file, and you want to go in, lay it flat against the blade, and work that blade edge out. Work the nick out by filing it, okay? Putting some slight pressure on it and hearing it, rasp over the blade. Don't do the chisel side, do the cutting side, okay? After you get done with that, you want to go in with like an emery board, like one of these, and smooth it out. You can also use, keeping the angle here, the pliers, you can also use an Arkansas stone and go in there and get in there with the Arkansas stone, if you can, if it'll fit, just a little bit like this, okay? You might want to get like an easy lap, which is thinner, like the diamond edge is thinner, and you'll be able to work between the blades. And that's how you really want to fix this, okay? Once you get the nick out, okay, and you've got a nice smooth cutting edge, what you do then is go to the side. There's an Allen screw right here, okay? See an Allen screw? You want to turn that Allen screw in, okay? No, actually out you want to turn it. You want to turn it out so the blades come together more and meet each other in the center. You'll give pressure to cut. I also did this edge right here. I filed that down and smoothed it with the stone, and that's what you want to do with your Gundam Planet nippers if you damage them in any way. So remember that the left side is the cutting side, the right side is your anvil side, which you don't want to sharpen, okay? So I thought I'd show you that to you today, and I'm hoping you have a good day, and staying safe and staying well. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give the thumbs down, and we'll see you next time.